Disney dining can be confusing, especially for a first-timer. And between the parks, the resorts, and Disney Springs, there's over 200 restaurants to choose from. And even as a Disney travel professional, it can still take some pixie dusting to fully get me to understand Disney dining as well. So in today's video, I'm diving into budgeting, dining options, Disney dining plans, and answering some frequently asked questions from some of my Disney clients. If you don't already know, I'm Kay, and I share family travel tips, family activities, and life at home with my kids. Timestamps are listed below, so grab an iced coffee and let's get to it. So here's the real talk. Disney food adds up fast, especially with kids. This is the part of the trip where we always get stumped. No matter how much we plan, no matter how much we budget, we always overspend when it comes to eating at Disney World. So here is a quick breakdown. The average daily cost per person for eating at Disney for quick service or your counter style meals are going to be about $15 to $20 per meal. This is going to be your fast food style meals, and most of these meal options you can actually mobile order through the My Disney Experience app and have it ready for when you get there or, soon after. Table service or sit down style meals are going to be about $35 to $60, sometimes even $70 per adult. These are going to be your sit down and your out of the heat meals, is what I like to call them. They are usually a la carte and all you care to enjoy options. Snacks are going to run you between $5 to $8 each. These are quite obvious things like Mickey bars, pretzels, popcorn, etc. And kids meals are going to run you about $8 to $12 per kid. Kids meals are perfect portions for little ones to share if you have more than one. And adults can buy kids' meals at most quick service locations. So for a family of 4, you're looking to spend around $140 to $250 per day, just on food if you plan to eat mostly in the parks. So when it comes to budgeting, you're going to want to utilize tools like the My Disney Experience app or the Disney Go website to look ahead at menus and start building your budget from there based on where you're going to be each day. So now that we have a basic idea of what we're going to spend in the parks, let's talk about Disney dining plans. I get this question with every single Disney client during the booking process because this is an add-on cost, but is it worth it? And most importantly, what the heck is it? Here is a quick overview. The Disney dining plans are an additional service that adds convenience, flexibility, and peace of mind of prepaid meals and snacks for your Disney vacation. And if it sounds like I read that from off a brochure, I did. This is what I give to my potential clients at my vendor events, so yeah. Now, Disney offers 2 types of dining plans: Disney Quick Service Dining Plan and the Disney Dining Plan. And I'll insert a screen card with the breakdown. Feel free to screenshot it and use it for reference. Everyone in the party, ages 3 and up, get 2 meals per day, at least one of those being quick service if you go with the table service dining plan, 1 snack or non-alcoholic drink per day, and 1 resort refillable mug, which you can refill for free at any quick service location during your trip. Is it worth it? For us, absolutely. The amount of money that we spend alone on food is enough to want to invest in the Disney dining plan. And for the remainder of 2025, you'll save up to 20% on dining plans for kids ages 3 to 9. And in 2026, you can get a free dining plan for kids ages 3 to 9 when you purchase a Disney travel package, including a room and a dining plan for each guest. Do with that information what you will, but we will definitely be taking advantage of it. And speaking of Disney dining, when it comes to table service meals, you will have to make Disney Dining Reservations either through the app, your travel agent, or Mouse Dining. Now, Mouse Dining is a subscription site that helps you book those hard-to-get reservations for dining, Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique, and more. No, it's not sponsored, but it's definitely worth it, especially if you're going to Disney during those busier months. I personally had no issues booking Cinderella's Royal Table last year, but I was not at all picky at our time slots for our reservation. I just wanted to get in. And by the way, I don't care what anybody says, Cinderella's Royal Table was definitely worth every single penny. We were full well past lunch after eating breakfast there. So definitely worth it. And I'll do another video on the places that we ate at Disney so far. Let's talk about character dining. Character dining is probably one of the best things to hit Disney. It not only gives you the option to enjoy your meal in the comfort of the AC, but also see some of your favorite Disney characters during your meal. So how do you decide? In my personal opinion, I highly recommend when it comes to character style meals, you go with the all you care to enjoy. You get the most bang for your buck and you get the character dining experience. And you will need Disney Dining Reservations for these, so be sure to book 60 days in advance. Let's move on to some of our frequently asked questions. One of the first ones that I always get asked is, do I really need reservations? The answer is yes. And that's especially for popular table service meals. You're gonna go to the app and book 60 days before your trip at 6 a.m. Eastern time. So if you're not on Eastern time, make sure you set the world clock alarm and get up when it's time to book because reservations go fast. Can I bring my own food? Yes, I actually highly recommend this. You can bring snacks, sandwiches, refillable water bottles, just no hard coolers, no alcohol, and no glass containers. I'm actually a huge advocate for ordering your groceries once you get to your resort, have them sent to the resort, and bringing your own food to the park. That saves an immense amount of money. What is mobile ordering? In a nutshell, a lifesaver. You order your food on the My Disney Experience app and you basically skip the lines. It might be a little short line for other people who use the mobile app, but it's very quick. This is perfect for when the kids are melting down and they're hungry right now. Not now, but right now. What if I have allergies or dietary needs? So Disney is actually amazing with allergies. Despite any of those trolling newsletters that you've seen, I'm sure on Facebook, you can note on the app or ask for a allergy-friendly menu at any location that has food. Any of them. And they exist for a reason. I hope that this video gave you guys some confidence for tackling Disney dining. That is a mouthful to say. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and drop your Disney dining questions in the comments section. Until next time, bye. And drop your Disney dining questions in the